Center. This is the reunification center for all the victims that were involved in the wreck that were waiting for their family members to be picked up. We're trying to provide them a safe and a warm location for these victims after the incident occurred this morning. As of right now, there are no more bodies from individuals out on the scene that are coming here. So there's no other individuals that will be transported from the scene here to be picked up. We've had law enforcement officers from the Fort Worth Police Department and FD transporting individuals either to their homes or to their place of business. That's the only information we have right now involving this location at this time.
Can you say how many people showed up this morning?
So far that we got transported here, we had 30 individuals transported from the scene at this location.
There's still people in there?
There's still people in here waiting to be picked up by either a family member or friends. And we also have people here still waiting to hear from their loved ones that were transported to the hospital. We are trying to gather that information and coordinating that with our MedStar partners affiliations to get that information so we can disseminate it to the people that are waiting here at the center.
How many are waiting?
I don't have a total exactly how many numbers we have that are waiting here, but there is a system that we have in place, so we're making sure that everybody is going home to their loved ones.